Hello friends, welcome back my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Apple ID suggestions notification that keep popping up. So let's start the video. First open settings on iPhone. As you can see, as soon as you open the settings of the iPhone, you will see a notification in front of you, Apple ID suggestions. Tap on Apple ID suggestions.